everyone. Are you struggling with PT and wondering why your scores aren't going up even though you're practicing every day? Well, don't worry, I'm here to share very effective and powerful tips with you guys which will help you to improve your scores. So let's get started. Let's start with speaking. So tip number 1 is practice and focus more on your pronunciation and fluency. In PT speaking, the computer is listening for fluency and clear pronunciation, not your accent. That means you don't need to sound like a native speaker, just speak naturally, avoid long pauses and keep a steady rhythm. Tip number 2, active note-taking, and this is for listening. When it comes to listening tasks, don't try to write down everything. Instead, note keywords like names, numbers or repeated words. This helps you predict the correct answer quickly without losing focus. Tip number 3, structure your writing. In writing, the algorithm looks for structure. Always start with a clear introduction, give 2 to 3 strong points in the body and wrap up with a conclusion. Using linking words like however, moreover, in addition will instantly improve your score. And the last tip, time management. Remember, every second counts in PT. Practice completing each section within the time frame. This will train your brain to perform under exam. So if you want to score high for your PT exam, remember these 4 things. Number 1, fluency over accent. Number 2, smart note-taking. Number 3, structured writing. And number 4, strict time management. So keep practicing, stay confident and trust me, you will definitely see the difference.
PT ഇനി 100% വിജയം. നീതൂസ് അക്കാഡമിയിൽ മാത്രം.